Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope you all are doing great. So friends, in my last video I had described about the dollar index and gold. So the hot topic across the global market right now is gold. Why? Because everyone was super bullish in gold, correct? Because it was on the verge of this particular breakout. Let me just draw the line. So I'm drawing the line that is which is connecting the previous highs. It's around 2082, you can see, right? So if you just scroll to my last video which I had uploaded, you will find that in that video I had explained about the relationship of precious metals with dollar index. So what is the relationship? It is basically inversely related. So when dollar index goes up, precious metals comes down. So in that particular video, I had told that dollar index made a low around this level, which is around 102.5 few days back, correct? So I told that we need to keep a very close watch on this particular dollar index, because if it goes up, then the probability of gold moving higher is very less, or you can say it's not possible for gold to breach and give a close higher than the previous highs. So that has happened accordingly. So you can see that dollar index, after making this recent low, it has started going up. So the recent low was 102.5 and now it is hovering around 103.75, correct? So let's have a look at gold. So what has happened to gold? So gold just went higher. So everyone, the retailers, especially the retailers, what happens is they place their the short positions at the resistance, and they place their buy positions at the support. And the smart money, the people who are very smart, the FIIs, correct? So they know, the institution know that we need to do some kind of stop loss hunting. So everyone was short around this level of 2080, 2082. And what happens, see, let me just show you the smaller time frame chart. Let us go to a 5 minutes chart. So in this particular chart, you see that the institutions are so smart that from this level of around 2074, it went higher to around this 21, 34, 35. All the stop loss got hunted, correct? So because why? So people placed a short position around these previous highs. But the smart people, they know that we need to, we need to square off all the retail traders. We need to do some kind of retail hunting, the stop loss hunting process. So there was a huge surge within 15 to 20 minutes. You can see from this 2075 to 2135. And since then it started coming down. And you see, let me just draw the percentage change from the high. So it's approximately, you can see 5%. So 5% down, more than 5% basically from this high. It's more than 5% down, correct? Why? Because I told you earlier in the last video that dollar index has a probability to move on the higher side. And you see that it went higher, and gold started dragging on the downside. So from here on, dollar index looks, it looks that the demand has again started building, and the next or the immediate resistance is around this 104, above which it's around this 105.5. So gold has made a top. As per me, I don't expect gold to move higher and higher. All the Twitter people, all the people across social media, they are predicting that it's a bull market for gold. It will surge higher and move higher to around 2400 or maybe 2500. But I am saying that gold has made a top over here, and gradually we will see that in the following weeks gold will start coming on the downside. Clear? So now let's focus on NASDAQ. So in this particular chart as well, I told that NASDAQ is hovering around the previous highs. So let me just draw the line over here. So the horizontal line, you can see that today it made a very big red candle from exactly from this level which I had marked in my earlier video, and it has breached all the previous recent lows. Correct. Now it is taking support around this level. I am not bullish in NASDAQ. I hope, I think, and my analysis tells me that in the coming weeks we will see sell-off in this NASDAQ until and unless this 16,100 gets breached and sustains above that particular level. So keeping a tight stop loss of around this level, that is 16,200 or maybe 250, one can look for shorting opportunity in NASDAQ. So let's move to US 30, that is Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is again hovering at a very crucial zone. So I have made an upward sloping resistance from this 2nd May 2022. This is weekly chart, by the way. I have connected these highs, and you see that it is exactly on the verge of this particular resistance. And not only that, it is again facing resistance from the all-time high level. So the all-time high level is around this this level. Let me just scroll it down a little bit. So it's around 36,500, you can see, and this upward slanting line is also converging around that level of 36,200. So 36,200 to 36,500, 600 is a very major supply zone for Dow Jones. So this week looks very interesting because the geopolitical tension is also building up. So keeping all things constant, one should mark this level and place their trades accordingly. I am not bullish in this Dow Jones until and unless it gives a breakout above this level. Now let's move to Nifty. So Nifty is in a very secular bull run. Recently the BJP has won in many states in the state election. So people have started discounting that next year BJP is going to come in the Lok Sabha election as well, and you see the rally. It is rallying like, it is outperforming all the emerging markets. You see the emerging markets and you see Nifty as well. But keeping all things constant, again Nifty is at a very crucial level. I have marked this daily candle from 2nd December 2022, sorry, 1st December 2022. I have marked this highs. So it is hovering around this 2686 or 700 in round figure. My upside level is 20,750. So 20,750 is my level which I will watch minutely. If 20,750 gets breached, I will again modify my next levels. Until and unless it breaches, I will keep that level as stop loss, and I'll find some kind of shorting opportunity in Nifty because it is hovering exactly at a very crucial level. And again, the geopolitical tensions are rising. So keeping all things constant, I will watch this Nifty very closely. I hope this video will add value to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yes, please do comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.